Good morning, all of you. Myself, Sandeep Parashar, and I'm welcoming you ninth class computer classes online. We are reading Unit First, Introduction of IT. In this, we are reading IT applications. It means wherever IT is used. And I already told you nowadays IT is used in everywhere. In this, we have next topic IT at workplace. IT facilitate innovation, creative expression, time management, work efficiency, and effective management at workplace. It has become an internal part of every workplace because it provides cost effectiveness, enhanced satisfaction, faster and simple execution of work, rapid response, and easy operational procedure. Some of the benefit of IT at offices are, in normal words, I want to tell you, nowadays every employee is used information technology. It makes employees work faster, easier, and accurate, and they can do it more fastly. Some of benefits of this: IT improve communication within the workplace and with the customer. Through the IT, we can contact our customers and we can take feedback and we can tell them about product. It makes every employer's job easier and more efficient. Employee, if he is using IT, they can do it very easily everything. It help employers by increasing productivity. Employee, if do it work fastly, they can do it more work and they can make it productivity more now. It increases speed and accuracy of many work process, which improve overall work efficiency. If every employee do it work fastly, they can do it productivity more. Then it affected on the organization and company. They can take it more profit. Document can be written and edited more quickly using a word processing program. If they're writing in by the hand, these are not clear, but they type in the computer, it is clear, and it will look like eye catcher. Recording, calculation, comparison, and analysis of data can be easily and accurately done using a spreadsheet program. If they have any calculation, then they can do it in the MS Excel. They do it more faster than human. They save the time. Databases are used to store large quantities of data related to personal inventory, customer sales, accounts, logistic, etc. They can store data in the computer. The process of screening, recruiting, and hiring new employees has become highly improved with the uses of IT. They can hire a employee through in the world through the computer. Next topic, IT in library. Now all of you are familiar with library and uses of computer in the library. In library we have all books recorded in the computer. If you want to take it anyone, then sir will tell you wherever the book, and after that if you didn't get it back, then as sir told you, please give it, and if you want new, then please check it. You have only one book and you have more books, and your last date has gone, or it will. IT used in library to record library activities, operational and various other library services. The functioning of a library majorly benefited by the use of IT for collections, processing, storage, retrieval, and dissemination of recorded information. The use of new technology like word processing, text editing, character recognition, voice recognition, electronic publishing, CD-ROM, database management system, email have rapidly transformed the libraries from conventional method. Next one is IT in business and marketing. I already told you in the 8th class, if we are selling or purchasing anything through the internet, it is known as e-commerce. IT facilitate e-commerce, which include marketing, product browsing, shopping, and processing orders. Business transaction, communication through email, video conference, and mobile enable people to work from anywhere. Document can be shared instantly and decision can also be taken quickly. I already told you, if you want to purchase anything, then you can see on the phone, on the computer, and you can purchase it. Some information technology tools that are used to reach out to people across the world are blogging. Blogging is a page about a organization or a person. Computerized presentation, they can show about product through the PowerPoint in presentation also. Customer relationship management system, they can make link between them, customers and company. Email communication, they can ask about product, they can take feedback through the email. Graphic design software, they can tell anything about product. Websites, all company has website, our school also has website. Social media, now all of you are familiar with social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all are social media. E-commerce, we already know about it. E-commerce refers to the activity of buying or selling of products through the internet. E-commerce or online shopping allow user to search and compare various products and services which they can buy at competitive prices. No need to go out for purchase anything, you just purchase anything from your home, no need to take money risk. I already told you na. Okay, after that we have another topic, IT in banking. E-banking, this is the word. Now a time all of you are familiar with e-banking, electronic banking. Now a time in your family anyone can use phone pay, Paytm, Bheem, and bank app also. This comes into the e-banking. We can transfer our money from one place to another place without going into the bank. We can withdraw our money without going in the bank. What is the benefit of this? Saving time, effort, and money. Transferring money between account using IMPS, RTGS, and NEFT. Viewing account detail, we can see our account detail, how much balance we have. Opening fixed deposit account as well as making online payment. We can open our new account also. Just click on the mouse. Withdraw money at any time through ATMs. We can withdraw our money through the ATM. It will possible because of IT. Now all of you are familiar about this. So it is comes in our daily life now. The following are the example where IT is used: online banking, ATM, banking app, telebanking, debit and credit card. All of you are familiar about online banking. We can transfer our money just only single click. ATM, all of you are familiar. Banking apps, all of you are familiar. Everybody has right now bank apps like SBI, BOB, telebanking. If we have any problem with any service from the bank, they can solve through the phone. If we make phone on the banking call center, they can solve it. Debit and credit card, all of you are familiar with this. Debit card is used for withdrawing money and credit card also used for withdrawing money, but it also used for shopping also. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe.